whoa. I don't know why this thing keeps heating up. What's going on with that stupid thing?
Was it still smoking?
Yeah. Day 2. Got a new coil, new battery, new cable. What else? That's it, right? Just hit it with some ether and see if it starts. You know what? Hit that, open that. There you go. Okay, now I'll give it a shot. Spark over there. We think we've narrowed the problem down to the points, which are right here. So, if you're not familiar with how this distributor works, power comes in from the coil. We've got ignition power here. It comes all the way around right here. And what happens is this little doodad right here, as you crank the engine, it's going to open and close and hit what we call these points right here. And it's got power to it. So every time it hits it, it should transfer that power. It opens, transfers power as the rotor is spinning around. All right, go ahead. Yeah, that's a lot of speed now.
Should. Here we go. Ooh, that sounded good.
That was positive.
Hit the front ones. Oh no. Okay, go ahead. Here we go.
Oh, come on.
What was all that?
I don't know.
That sounds like a stuck valve. It's old school.
Hit it with a hammer.
Hit it with a hammer.
That's the right way to fix it.
Yes.
All right, boys and girls, here's your tool to fix a stuck valve. Apparently this is the old school way of doing it. Good over here.
Looks good over here.
Oh, come on. There it is, come on. There. Well, after several more of those failed attempts, I guess, we started getting into the fuel system and just kind of backtracking. And what we found out was the fuel pump had a leak out the side of it. It was just pissing fuel every time we were trying to get it started. So we went and ordered a new fuel pump. Also, when trying to get the fuel pump apart or get the lines off, the original hose that went to it just disintegrated here on the ends. So new hose. The fuel line is now clear all the way back to the tank. Third time is a charm, I hope. A lot of T-Bird owners are using an inline fuel pump, like an electric pump. Now, basically what you're doing is you're just hooking it up so that you can turn it on to pressurize the system and get the fuel up, and then once the car is started, you can just flip it off. You don't need to run that the entire time. It's kind of like a little helper for the fuel pump, for the mechanical pump. So we're going to end up doing that as well. Just put something, down underneath just to assist. Something about these fuel pumps, these things are so expensive. They're almost $200. That's like one of the most expensive fuel pumps, mechanical fuel pumps, I think I've ever come across. We're gonna get these new parts put on, and that will bring us to round 3, and I am pretty confident, like 99.99%. I mean, that's pretty confident, right? That this thing is going to start and run just fine. It really wanted to, and I think with the help of these new parts, we'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with us. This is just what happens when you're messing with these old cars. Things don't always go as planned, and it takes a few attempts. We're gonna push through, and we're gonna get this thing running. Thanks so much for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.